So instead of paying you for what you had, they're going to pay you for something that's functional. You got to make sure your homeowner's insurance, you don't have functional replacement on your homeowner's insurance. A lot of you have it and you don't know it, and it's going to cost you when you have a claim. So this is how it's going to cost you. So instead of paying you for what you had, they're going to pay you for something that's functional. For instance, your plaster walls. Instead of being replaced with plaster, so half-inch plaster here, $847 a square foot, but a half-inch drywall, $238 a square foot. That's a big deal. That's 4 times the amount of money. Click the link in my bio. We'll let you know if you're underinsured and what to do about it. We don't sell insurance. We don't sell anything. We just give you good advice so that when you have an insurance claim, you don't have these things in your policy that are going to cause you to have a much lower settlement. Click the link in my bio. I'll give you advice to talk to your agent to get these things fixed.